Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastav. Today we are going to study about best agriculture universities in India as per ICAR ranking 2019. So let's proceed. ICAR has recently declared the ranking list of agriculture universities for the year 2019. We will go through one by one with little briefs. The first one topped among ranking is National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana. National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, also known as NDRI Karnal, is deemed university situated in Karnal, Haryana. The campus is spread over 1,348 acres of land and it is approved by UGC and ICAR. National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal was originally started as Imperial Institute of Animal Husbandry and Dairying in 1923 at Bangalore. It was expanded and renamed as Imperial Dairy Institute in 1936 and was known as National Dairy Research Institute after independence in 1947. Subsequently, in 1955, NDRI headquarters was shifted to Karnal. Facilities at Bangalore were retained to function as a regional station to serve the southern states. Among the list, second is Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, Punjab. The Punjab Agriculture University in Ludhiana is the largest agriculture university in Asia. It is a state agriculture university and was established in 1962 and is the nation's third oldest agriculture university after Govind Vallabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar, and Odisha Agriculture University, Bhubaneswar. It was formally inaugurated by Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on July 8, 1963, and Punjab Agriculture University pioneered the Green Revolution in India in the 1960s. Third among the ranking list is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. The Indian Agriculture Research Institute IARI was established in 1905 and also called as Pusa Institute, which is India's National Institute for Agriculture Research, Education and Extension. The name Pusa Institute is derived from the fact that the institute was originally located in Pusa, Bihar, is the Imperial Institute of Agriculture Research in 1911. It was then renamed as the Imperial Agriculture Research Institute in 1919, and following a major earthquake in Pusa, it was relocated to Delhi in 1936. The IARI has the status of a deemed to be university under the UGC Act of 1956 and awards MSc and PhD degrees in various agriculture disciplines. The current institute in Delhi is financed and administered by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR), and the IARI was responsible for the research leading to the Green Revolution in India of the 1960s. Fourth ranking is for Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Nagar, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Indian Veterinary Research Institute IVRI is India's premier advanced research facility in the fields of veterinary medicine and allied branches. It has regional campuses at Mukteswar, Bangalore, Palampur, Pune, Kolkata and Srinagar. Formerly known as Imperial Bacteriological Laboratory, it was renamed in 1925 as Imperial Veterinary Research Institute. The name of the institute was again changed following independence to Indian Veterinary Research Institute. Administrative control of the institute is currently under Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR), New Delhi. And the fifth ranking is for Govind Vallabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, also known as Pantnagar University, is the first agriculture university of India. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on 17th November 1960 as the Uttar Pradesh Agriculture University. Later the name was changed to Govind Vallabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology in 1972 in memory of the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, statesman and Bharat Ratna recipient Pandit Govind Vallabh Pant. Sixth ranking is for Chaudhry Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University, Hisar, Haryana. Chaudhry Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University is a public funded agriculture university and is one of the biggest agriculture universities in Asia, which was established in 1970. It is named after India's 7th Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh. It was initially a satellite campus of Punjab Agriculture University at Hisar. It was established as a university by Haryana and Punjab Agriculture University Act, ratified on 2nd February 1970, and was named as Haryana Agriculture University. So basically it is considered as the first established university of state Haryana. On 31st October 1991, it was renamed as Chaudhry Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University, and it contributed significantly to Green Revolution and White Revolution in India. And the 7th ranking is for Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Ludhiana, Punjab. 8th ranking was given to Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University is an agriculture university established in 1971 in its current form. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University offers diploma, UG, PG and research courses in agriculture related courses to candidates, and it is a state university accredited by NAAC and ICR. The university is recognized by UGC and functions in accordance with Tamil Nadu Directorate of Education. Among ranking, the 9th is for University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad, Karnataka. University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad was established in 1986 by the government of Karnataka with the mission of imparting higher education and promoting research in agriculture, forestry, food science, agri-marketing and home science. And the 10th ranking goes to Professor Jaishankar, Telangana State Agriculture University, Hyderabad, Telangana. The Professor Jaishankar Telangana State Agriculture University is a state agriculture university which was separated from the Central Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University in the year 2014 as a result of the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh state. Post bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University, it was renamed as Professor Jaishankar Telangana State Agriculture University, and the headquarters of Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University was shifted from Hyderabad to Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. 11th ranking goes to Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar University of Horticulture and Forestry, Solan, Himachal Pradesh. The university was recognized as the state university in the year of 1985, and it is located in the Solan districts of the Himachal Pradesh state. There are 3 colleges under this university, out of which 2 are located at Nauni and other is located at the Neri of the Hamirpur district. And the 12th ranking is for Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture Sciences and Technology of Kashmir, Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir. Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture Sciences and Technology of Kashmir was established in 1982 with its main campus and facility of horticulture in Salimar, Srinagar. The university has multiple campuses, colleges, research and extension centers across the Kashmir Valley and Ladakh Union Territory. 13th ranking goes to Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University was established under the name of Andhra Pradesh Agriculture University on the 12th June 1964. It was renamed as Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University on 7th November 1996 in honor and memory of the noted parliamentarian and Kisan leader Acharya N.G. Ranga. At the verge of completion of Golden Jubilee year of the Acharya N.G. Ranga University, it has given birth to a new state agriculture university, namely Professor Jaishankar Telangana State Agriculture University, with the bifurcation of the state of Andhra Pradesh as per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014. Headquarters of the Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University was shifted from Hyderabad to Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. And 14th ranking is for चौधरी श्रवण कुमार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय पालमपुर हिमाचल प्रदेश. Formerly Himachal Pradesh Krishi Vishwavidyalaya is an agriculture university at Palampur in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. It was established on 1st November 1978 as an expansion of the existing College of Agriculture established in May 1966. Hill agriculture is the focus of this university. The university is accredited by the NBA National Board of Accreditation and Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR. Among ranking, the 15th position goes to Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya Mohanpur, Nadia, West Bengal. Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya is a government agriculture university established in 1974 and it offers various PG, UG, PhD courses in the faculties of agriculture, horticulture and agriculture engineering. The college has extended campuses in Bankura, Sosonia, Chhatna, Mohanpur and Bardwan. And 16th rank goes to Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai. Among list, the 7th ranking is for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Its foundation was laid on 2nd October 2000 and was inaugurated on 28th March 2002. The university holds lot of significance in view of the fact that it is the first agriculture university established in 21st century. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology is responsible for the agriculture related developments in 4 major divisions of Uttar Pradesh like Saharanpur, Meerut, Moradabad and Bareilly. In ranking list, 18th number is for University of Agriculture Sciences, Bangalore, Karnataka. University of Agriculture Sciences is an agriculture education located in Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and it was established in the year 1963 through Act by the Government of Karnataka. It has administrative headquarters at Gandhi Krishi Vigyan Kendra, GKVK, on the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway. The university is approved by UGC, ICAR and offers degree diploma programs in the streams of agriculture, veterinary, fisheries, horticulture, dairy sciences, agriculture marketing and cooperation, forestry, sericulture and agriculture engineering of UG, PG and PhD level. 19th ranking is for Kerala Agriculture University, Thrissur, Kerala. Kerala Agriculture University was established in 1971 and it is having the headquarters at Tinkara. This is an agriculture university offers various programs in agriculture, horticulture, forestry, agriculture engineering and fisheries. From 2011, the university is trifurcated into Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies and Kerala Agriculture Universities. 20th ranking goes to Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Odisha Agriculture University is one of the oldest agriculture university in India, which was founded in the year 1962, and it provides the extensive instructions, training and research in the field of agriculture. And university is having 4 campuses including 8 constituent colleges, 1 center for post graduation and 8 zonal research stations across Odisha. 21st ranking goes to University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka. University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur is a public university exclusively dedicated to the study and research of agriculture sciences, established in 2009 by the Government of Karnataka at Raichur. Among list, the 22nd ranking goes to Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. 23rd ranking is for Indira Gandhi Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The university was established on 20th January 1987 in Raipur, and it's provided new dimensions to the agriculture development of Chhattisgarh region of erstwhile state Madhya Pradesh, which is known as the Rice Bowl. 24th ranking is for Anand Agriculture University, Anand, Gujarat. Anand Agriculture University, formerly known as Gujarat Agriculture University, is a state university affiliated to the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Anand Agriculture University is located in Anand, the western Indian state of Gujarat, between the cities of Vadodara and Ahmedabad. This was formerly the Anand campus of Gujarat Agriculture University, which is now independent. It has 3 constituent colleges for agriculture, veterinary sciences, and animal husbandry and dairy science. 25th ranking is for Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Manipur. The Central Agriculture University was established by an Act of Parliament, the Central Agriculture University Act 1992. The Act came into effect on 26 January 1993 with the issue of necessary notification by the Department of Agriculture Research and Education, Government of India. The university became functional with the joining of the first Vice-Chancellor on 13th September 1993, and the jurisdictions of the university extend to 7 northeastern hill states: Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland and Tripura. 26th ranking goes to Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology in Udaipur is the university founded by the bifurcation of Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner, on 1st November 1999. 28th ranking goes to Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Hisar, Haryana. 29th is for Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, Nagpur, Maharashtra. And 30th ranking is for Junagadh Agriculture University, Junagadh, Gujarat. The College of Agriculture, Junagadh, was started in June 1960. The college was affiliated to Gujarat University, Ahmedabad until 1967. Affiliation was transferred to Saurashtra University in 1968. The Gujarat Agriculture University was established in February 1972 but split into 4 universities in 2004 as per Gujarat Agriculture University Act. Like Junagadh Agriculture University is one of them, and it is started on May 2004. 31st ranking goes to Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya was established in the year 1964. It is a public university located in Jabalpur and is recognized and accredited by University Grants Commission UGC and Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR. 32 ranks goes to Swami Keswanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Swami Keswanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, formerly Rajasthan Agriculture University, is a state agriculture university located in Bikaner, and the university formerly is a part of Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur, which became a separate entity in 1987 through Rajasthan Agriculture University Bikaner Act 1987. It was renamed after freedom fighter and social reformer Swami Keswanand in 2009. 33 ranks goes to Sri Konda Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University, Hyderabad, Telangana. Sri Konda Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University is a state agriculture university focusing on horticulture research and education. It was established in 2014 by the government of Telangana by bifurcating the Dr. Y.S.R. Horticulture University. The university has 2 constituent colleges, the College of Horticulture, Mojarla in Mahbubnagar district and College of Horticulture, Rajendra Nagar in Hyderabad district. Among ranking on 34th rank, Dr. Y.S.R. Horticulture University, Venkataramanna Gudam, West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. Y.S.R. Horticulture University is a state university which was established in 2007 by the government of Andhra Pradesh and focuses on education and research of horticultural sciences. And 35th rank is for University of Agriculture and Horticultural Sciences, Shimoga, Karnataka. It is the state's first integrated university to have both agriculture and horticultural sciences under its purview. University of Agriculture and Horticultural Sciences was established under Karnataka Act In 2012, the university was created by separating 7 districts from the jurisdictional area of University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore, and including all the institutes that came under the University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot. The headquarters of University of Agriculture and Horticultural Sciences, Shimoga, is connected to the state capital, Bangalore. 36th ranking goes to Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Central Agriculture University, Samastipur, Bihar. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University was established in 1970 at Pusa, Bihar, and the university comprises Tirhut College of Agriculture, Muzaffarpur, Bihar Agriculture College, Bhagalpur, Bihar Veterinary College, Patna, Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Dairy Technology, Patna, College of Fisheries, Muzaffarpur, College of Home Science, College of Agriculture Engineering, College of Basic Sciences and Humanities and Postgraduate Faculty, Pusa. 37th ranking goes to Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture Sciences and Technologies of Jammu, Jammu Kashmir. Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture and Sciences and Technology of Jammu is a state agriculture university of Jammu Division, which came into existence on 20th September 1999, following the amendment of Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture Sciences and Technology Act 1982. Currently, the main campus of the university, Faculty of Agriculture and Faculty of Basic Sciences, is located at Chhata, Jammu, and the Faculty of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry located at RS Pura Sector, Jammu. 38th number is for Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapeeth, Akola, Maharashtra. Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapeeth, Akola was established in 1969 and it offers programs dedicated to agrarian sciences. The central campus is at Akola, while another major campus is at Nagpur. 39th ranking is for Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Wayanad, Kerala. 40th ranking goes to University of Horticulture Sciences, Bagalkot, Karnataka. University of Horticulture Sciences was founded on November 22nd in 2008 by the state government of Karnataka. University of Horticulture Sciences, Bagalkot is a public university exclusively dedicated to the study and research of horticultural sciences. Bagalkot was chosen for its headquarters as the district is known for its rich horticultural production base of grapes, pomegranate, banana, guava, fig, lime, sapota, beer, vegetables, betel wine, coconut, spices and medicinal plants. 41 ranking goes to Basant Rao Nayak Marathwada Krishi Vidyapeeth, Parbhani, Maharashtra. This was formerly known as Marathwada Agriculture University, which was established on 18th May 1972. 42nd ranking goes to Navsari Agriculture University, Navsari, Gujarat. Navsari Agriculture University is a full-fledged independent state agriculture university located in Navsari, and it imparts education in agriculture and allied sciences at undergraduate, postgraduate, research level. The university is recognized by UGC and came into existence in the year 2004. 43rd ranking goes to Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. This university was established in 1975 and the university offers various undergraduate and postgraduate courses in multiple specializations. 44th ranking goes to Rajasthan University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bikaner, Rajasthan. 45th ranking is for Sardar Krishinagar Dantewada Agriculture University, Sardar Krishinagar, Gujarat. Sardar Krishinagar Dantewada Agriculture University is a state agriculture university in Gujarat which was established in 1972. 46th ranking goes to West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences, Kolkata, West Bengal. 47th ranking is for Nanaji Deshmukh Veterinary Science University, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. 48th ranking is for Bihar Agriculture University, Bhagalpur, Bihar. Bihar Agriculture University is an autonomous institute under Bihar state government established in 2010. under Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR), situated at Sabaur, Bhagalpur district in Bihar, and it is approved by UGC. 49th ranking is for Assam Agriculture University, Jorhat, Assam. This university was established in 1969, and the jurisdictions of the university extends to the entire state of Assam with regard to teaching, research, and extension education in the fields of agriculture and allied sciences. The headquarters is at Borbeta, Jorhat. Ranking of 50th goes to Rajmata Vijay Rajesh Scindia Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. This university was set up in 2008 by bifurcating the horticulture department and the veterinary sciences and animal husbandry department out of Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. 51 ranking goes to Dr. Bala Saheb Sawant Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth, Dapoli, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Dr. Baba Saheb Sawant Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth, formerly Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth, is an agriculture university which was established on 18th May 1972 as Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth and got its present name Dr. Bala Saheb Sawant Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth on 12th February 2001, and the institution is recognized under the UGC. 52 rank goes to Agriculture University, Kota, Rajasthan. It was established in 2013 by the government of Rajasthan under Agriculture University Act 2013 by bifurcating Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology and Swami Kesavanand Rajasthan Agriculture University. Its jurisdictions cover 6 districts like Kota, Baran, Bundi, Jhalawad, Karauli and Savai Madhopur. 53 ranking is for Sri Karan Narendra Agriculture University, Jobner, Rajasthan, which was established in 2013 by the government of Rajasthan, and the jurisdictions covers 8 districts of Ajmer, Alwar, Bharatpur, Dausa, Dhawalpur, Jaipur, Sikar and Tonk districts. 54th ranking is for Dr. J. Jayalalitha Fisheries University, Nagaipattinam, Tamil Nadu, and 55 ranking is for Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Kuch Bihar, West Bengal. The Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalaya was established by West Bengal Act 2000 and started functioning on 1st February 2001. This is satellite campus of Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. 56th ranking is for पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय पशु चिकित्सा विज्ञान विश्वविद्यालय एवं गो अनुसंधान संस्थान मथुरा उत्तर प्रदेश. 57th ranking is for Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies, Pangad, Kerala, and 58th ranking is for Banda University of Agriculture and Technology, Banda, Uttar Pradesh. Banda University of Agriculture and Technology was established in 2010. Initially, it was named as Manevar Sri Kasiramji University of Agriculture and Technology, later changed as Banda University of Agriculture and Technology by Uttar Pradesh Agriculture University Act Adhiniyam. Under ranking, the 59th number comes to Kamdhenu Vishwavidyalaya, Durg, Chhattisgarh. 60th ranking is for Birsa Agriculture University, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Birsa Agriculture University was established on 26 June 1981 and it offers UG and PG level courses in agriculture, veterinary sciences, animal husbandry and forestry streams. 61 ranking is for Acharya Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology, Faizabad, Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Acharya Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology was established in 1975. It is named after the politician and educator Narendra Deva, who served as Vice Chancellor of the University of Lucknow and Banaras Hindu University. Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology is a public university affiliated by ICAR. 62 ranking is for Karnataka Veterinary, Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, Bidar, Karnataka. And 63 ranking goes to Agriculture University, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Agriculture University Jodhpur was established in 2013 by the government of Rajasthan and it has jurisdictions of 6 districts: Jodhpur, Barmer, Nagaur, Pali, Jalore and Sirohi districts. 64th ranking is for Sri Venkateswara Veterinary University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. 65th ranking is for Veer Chandra Singh Garhwal University of Horticulture and Forestry, Bharasar, Uttarakhand. The Uttarakhand University of Horticulture and Forestry was established in 2011 and in 2015 it was renamed as Uttarakhand Krishi Evam Pradyogik Vishwavidyalaya under Act 2014. The university has two campuses. One is in Bharasar town of Pauri Garhwal district and other is in Rani Chauri town of Tehri Garhwal district. 66th ranking goes to Bihar Animal Sciences University, Patna, Bihar, and 67th ranking for PV Narasimha Rao Telangana Veterinary University, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this video presentation was all about best agriculture universities as per ranking of ICAR 2019. Hope this will be useful to all of you. Thank you very much. I have given here my YouTube channel details, Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastava. Link is provided. Having request, please visit the channel, subscribe it and provide your kind and valuable feedback. Thank you.